everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you download and install TapTap send money application in your device. So this is really gonna easy and short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you learn how to do this. So what you need to do, you need to go Google Play Store if you use Android phone, and then go to App Store if you use iPhone. Then search here on the search box, it's called TapTap TapTap send money, and here you can see this is the app, and 4.2 ratings out of 544K reviews, and 25 megabyte size of the app. 1 million plus people already download this app. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the install button to get this app. So it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching the video.